In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to make a Cash App without a social security number. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. You will notice that while you can register into Cash App without a social security number, because the only requests they have when you first download the app are your phone number or email address, a zip code, and your bank account, when you try to actually use the app and its services, you will be really limited to how much funds you can have, send, and make payments with. As you can see on the screen, the official support page lists that Cash App lets you send and receive up to $1,000 within any 30-day period. And if you want to increase these limits, you need to verify your identity using your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Which means that while you can go through with the installation and create your account within Cash App without inputting your social security number, if they ask you for verification, there is no workaround to it and you will need to input the social security number. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that if Cash App wants verification, there is no workaround to this. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.